Hi everyone, welcome back and welcome to a new series on my channel. The looks that I will be creating in this series will be Indian and Indo-Western looks related to winter fashion, styling and makeup. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss my video notifications. So in this video I'm going to share with you how you can style your kurtas in winter. I had uploaded a similar video last year. So if you want, you can check it out. I'm sure you will find it very useful. And I was getting a lot of requests this year to create a similar video. So I came up with all these ideas. I hope you like them. So if you want to know how you can style your kurtas and kurtis in winter, please keep on watching. For the first look, I'm going to style this plain and simple basic off-white anarkali. I'm wearing it with off-white straight pants. You can wear a thermal inner under the anarkali. For shoes, I've gone for these tan boots. To make it a little more interesting, I will be layering a lot of jewelry pieces, starting with this long necklace. I will add a second necklace, which is this gorgeous statement Afghan necklace. And then I will adjust the length of the previous necklace a little to match the second one. I think both the necklaces are looking stunning together. You can stop here, but I'm going to add a third piece, which is this multicolor Afghan choker. The choker will also cover the neck and make you feel less cold. This is how the three necklaces are looking together. I think it looks really nice. But you can obviously layer different necklaces according to your preference. After adding the necklaces, the outfit also looks so much more glamorous. Next, I will be adding an off-white long jacket. This jacket matches the kurta perfectly, and such long jackets look so nice with Indian wear. I have added another multicolor ring, which is going perfectly with the necklaces. Finally, I will carry this multicolor Kutch embroidered sling bag to complete the look. And this is how the outfit looks with just two necklaces. Since the kurta is so plain, I think both the combinations are looking really nice. Next, I will be styling this ajrak printed anarkali kurta with full sleeves and these really pretty panels. If you want, you can wear something warm inside. I have paired it with similar printed palazzo pants and I'm wearing blue and black heels. This anarkali has lots and lots of flare, like you can see. Next, I will be wearing this rust color dress that I recently got from Ajio, like a shrug on top. I think this rust color is really complementing the black and blue print on the anarkali. Finally, I will layer a long black jacket on top. This jacket is such a winter staple and you can pair it with Indian as well as Western wear. So it's a good idea to invest in something like this. And the black long jacket is looking so nice with this outfit. And I also really like the rust layer peeking from the sides. I do not own a lot of winter wear since I don't get a lot of use out of them. So I try to restyle things that I own in different ways. And I feel this outfit is looking really nice. Let me know what you think. Now coming to the jewelry. Since we have a lot of prints going on, I'm going to keep the jewelry really minimum with just this gorgeous blue necklace and a sort of matching ring. This necklace is really complementing the blue anarkali and the overall outfit. Finally, I will carry a black handbag to complete the look. I really like the way this turned out and I think you can also wear something like this to office. For the third look, I'm wearing a kalamkari printed kurta dress that I got from Delhi Heart last year along with rust color pants from Ajio. I got some really nice pieces from Ajio this time. If you want, you can check out the haul video. I'll link it above. Then I will wear a similar color block printed kurta like a shrug on top. Also wearing a thermal inner inside. Both the kurtas have different prints, but they are from the same color family, hence they are working well together. The kurta that I am wearing like a shrug has such a nice flare. Then to cover my neck, I will wrap this rust orange color dupatta around it. And this is how you can mix, match and layer different summer pieces from your wardrobe and style them in winter, along with thermal inner of course. For jewelry, I will wear a statement ring and these layered silver jhumkas. These are so pretty. I absolutely love these earrings. I will also wear these silver bangles with different motifs. Got these from Delhi Heart as well, and they are so pretty. Finally, I will add my square sling bag to complete the look. All the pieces used to create this look were bought separately and I had no intention of pairing them together, but somehow the prints, the colors, everything works so well together and I could create such a nice outfit with them. Using the same kurta and pants, I've created another look for the less colder months or for the places that do not experience harsh winters. This look is going to be very simple. I will just layer on the plain rust color dress over the kurta like a shrug and pull out the sleeves of the kurta so that it can be seen like a border from under the sleeves of the dress. For jewelry, I'm just going to wear this Afghan statement necklace. The necklace is really complementing the outfit. And a statement ring. That is it. The kurta dress, the rust pants and the rust dress that I have styled like a shrug are all looking so nice together. I'm wearing my tan heels and will carry the same square sling bag to complete the look. After styling the printed kurtas, I have a basic black anarkali. I'm wearing it with black palazzo pants, also wearing my tan heels. Next, I will wear this polka dot dress like a shrug. If you have watched my Sonam Kapoor inspired Sabyasachi outfit video, then you must have seen this dress. If you haven't checked it out, please do. I'll link it above. I'm sure you will love it. This look is actually a casual and simplified version of that look. For the third layering piece, I'm going to use my one and only plain black long jacket. And this is how the pieces look together. I really like this combination and the polka dot dress peeking from the sides looks really nice. The dress also has some ruffle details that can be seen from under the black jacket. For jewelry, I'll be wearing this really simple tribal necklace. And I think it's really complementing the outfit. Then I will carry my square sling bag, and this is the finished look. I really like the way this look turned out. It's a really casual yet stylish way of styling a kurta in winter. If you want to check out the glamorized and Indian wedding guest appropriate version of this look, then please check out my previous video. For the next look, I've again styled the plain black anarkali with black palazzo pants, and I'm wearing my blue and black heels. Next, I will layer this maroon woolen shrug that I got from Ajio. I really like the fringes on this shrug. It looks really boho, and this piece can make any outfit interesting. You can casually leave it like that or wear a belt on top to secure it in place. So I'm adding this black belt over the shrug. I will adjust it a little, and this is how it looks. I know it's not a very functional piece. It will only make your outfit look good. So if you want, you can wear a thermal inner inside or even wear a turtleneck under the anarkali. Next, for jewelry, you can either wear statement earrings, like I'm wearing these really pretty silver statement earrings. The earrings have these stones that look like rubies, and it's matching the shrug really well. And then add a statement ring along with a ghungru bracelet. Or you can even remove the earrings and go for a statement necklace instead. Like here I'm wearing this statement necklace with ghungrus and mirror pendants along with the ring and the bracelet. I like this option more than the previous one. Then I will carry a black handbag to complete the look. You can wear an outfit like this during light winters or in less colder regions. I really like the way this look turned out. Let me know what you think. Coming to the final look, so here I'm wearing this long indigo printed kurta dress, and I'm wearing it with indigo printed palazzo pants. To make the pants a little more visible, I will wear a belt and then start pulling the dress upwards to cover the belt. You can see what I'm doing here to understand better. You can adjust the length of any dress like this, and the pants are also more visible. Next, I will add a floral printed blazer in a similar color. Make sure your jacket or blazer, whatever you want to add, matches your kurta. Like here, you can see that the floral print on the jacket matches the kurta or the dress really well, and the colors are also similar. You can wear a short jacket or blazer like this or go for a long one. Like here I'm wearing this long jacket in a similar color and print. For jewelry, I'm going to wear this really pretty silver and mirror long necklace along with a mirror ring. And finally, I will add this sling bag to complete the look. So that is it. These were all the looks. I hope you found it useful. If you did, then don't forget to share it with your friends and family. It will really mean a lot to me. You can find my social media details in the description box. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.